Okay, so we got an antenna hooked up. We'll see if that makes a difference. We'll start out. Let's see. Come on. Start on the broadcast band. And let's give her the juice, so to speak. This is connected to my vertical antenna out in the back side yard, about 50 feet tall. Ought to pick up something. Radio sounds like it's working pretty good. We'll see. No, it's still noise. Huh. Oh, I spoke too soon. Alright, that's a broadcast. Yeah, there it goes. And we've got about 230 volts on the hot B plus, so we're exactly where it needs to be. There's WTTR. And that was on 1470. Don't recognize it. It might be Hanover, Pennsylvania. I believe that's WBAO in Baltimore. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not too bad. I don't know. That's my meter. Is that the meter causing that? No, it was flashing the same rate.
He does. He's really good at public speaking, and when you consider his age, I mean, I'm seeing cognitive decline, and the Bernie Sanders of 10 years ago campaign announced that he was going to run for president.
WCBM on 680, which is doing good because that's a difficult station to get here.
And Kamala part of the cover-up. In the middle of his speech is great.
Alright, let's get a short wave a chance here. Some kind of noise. I'm gonna have to track that down. I wonder if it's these fluorescent lights. Those fluorescents. CFLs, that is. I don't know what it is. Outside somewhere, I guess. Alright, let's try the high shortwave band. And that's nice and quiet, scaringly so. Let's turn the volume up a little bit. No, it's hard to turn. Well, we got something there. How about that? I wouldn't want to have to listen to it there.
De imágenes anglosajón pertenecen a un capítulo del libro que se llama Hace falta una mansión. Entonces es muy curioso porque en cuanto a las casas del cine, ya sabemos que hay casas como la de Los Ángeles.
Y la de Lolita, si no me equivoco, también era construida el proceso para la película, ¿no?
La de Lolita no te sé decir ahora mismo, pero la de Forrest Gump sí.
I'm reading you God's word. That last verse that we read was Genesis 3:16. And listen.
Verse 5. One man, he stameth one day above another. I remember vividly, clearly, after the 40-day fast back in 1994.
But just like that.
This time of destruction, this generation. When I was down in the present house under the heavy load of iniquity and transgression and being corrected by Almighty Yahweh in my spirit and mind, heart and intent, one night
but also a judge. And of course, we know people didn't just up and decide, hey, I don't want to be a prophet. I think I'm
WWV, Fort Collins, Colorado. Let's see if we can hear them announce. They should come up here in a few seconds. Maybe not. Looks like they're going to fade out on us. Yeah, I think we lost them. Oh well. At least we heard them for a few seconds. That was 10 megahertz. So. Gotta put some knobs if he's do any more of this.
To your new vehicle. 8ignoremyscore.com. That's www.8ignoremyscore.com. This is Rick Dixon with your WTTR Traffic Report.
Freedom Alliance Scholarship Fund was the vision of Freedom
Okay,
Alliance founders,
enough.
Colonel Oliver North and the late Lieutenant General Edward Gronorz. The Freedom Alliance Scholarship
See
Fund
if it'll
honors
turn
Americans
off.
in armed forces who have sacrificed life or limb defending our country by providing educational scholarships for their children. The mission of the Freedom Alliance Scholarship Fund.
Well, maybe not. There we go. High voltage is not going down. I'll turn it off. Oh, the volume switch isn't, on off switch isn't even hooked up. I gotta do that yet. Put the right power cord on it. Hook up the fuse. Do an alignment. Just, it sounds pretty good, but we can maybe make it better. And what else? Get the dial assembly back on. So we're getting there. Thanks for watching.